Hello everyone, let's learn how to start earning passive income on Binance. Binance Earn is a portfolio of cryptocurrency products designed to provide you with passive income on your idle funds. With Binance Earn you can start saving, investing, or even becoming a liquidity provider in the DeFi markets to earn passive income from bitcoins, stablecoins, altcoins and more. To learn how to do it, watch this video till the end. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Binance app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. When you do that, go on Wallets option in bottom right corner of the screen. Now you are come on your wallet, and next you need to swipe to the right to come on Earn, or you can click on Earn in the top of screen. After that you need to tap on Earn button on the left side of the screen. Now you are come on Binance Earn menu, so you can start making money passive. You need to choose a coin you want to locked by tapping on coin. And that will send you on this side menu, and you need to click on locked. Next, on first field you can choose a period you want to locking your coin. You have recommended period, or you can create a custom period. Next field is to enter how many coins you want to locking. You have an option to add all your coins by tapping on max, like me. And when you finish it, click on yellow button where is written confirm, and that's it. You are successful finish this job. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.